Hey guys, welcome back to NFTins. But for today's video, here we're going to show you how to factory reset Life Fitness Treadmill. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly reset your Life Fitness Treadmill? Well, this one is going to be pretty simple. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to ensure your treadmill is not working right now and it's basically stopped. Now make sure the treadmill is not running, and also press the stop button to halt the belt completely. Now, from that on, you want to look for the reset button. So the reset button typically is found under the console or near the power cord. Now use a small object like, for example, a paper clip or something similar to that, or a pen, and you want to go and just press that specific reset button. Now, you want to press and hold this button for about 3 to 5 seconds, and if your treadmill has an LED display, just follow the steps here. Now, first things first is you want to go and press enter 5 times, and then you want to press start 1 time, and then enter one more time. Now, you want to place the safety key, or you want to replace the safety key and press the enter button again. Now, in this case, if your treadmill has a different LED display, you want to go ahead and just basically press enter 4 times, then start 1 time, and then enter again. Now, replace the safety key again. Now, to finalize this, you want to press the power button 3 times to complete the reset process. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFTinspo. Thank you for watching.